Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right, and today I'm reviewing this wireless pro gaming controller that you can get on Amazon. This is for Nintendo Switch, but you can use it for PC as well. If you'd like to watch this review, please stay tuned, but first, roll those titles. Now this is the controller. The box itself comes in. These are, at the moment, they are $18.99 on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. So if you want to, click a link in the description below, then you can buy this if you want to. This is obviously for, basically, it's for Nintendo Switch, but it's like an Xbox controller, but it's for Nintendo Switch. It's not manufactured by Nintendo. It's manufactured by a company called Welltop, which you've basically got a shop on Amazon. Right, inside the box, you get the controller. And you get some instructions. It has a 380 milliamp battery in it. The battery, I'm not quite sure because, apparently on the Amazon it says you can get 5 hours charge out of it, right? And basically you charge it for 5 hours and you'll get 3 to 2 hours gaming like time of it before it has charges again. I don't know if that's quite a good idea or not, because obviously obviously you're charging it for 5 hours and you're only getting 2 to 3 hours out of it. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but that's probably the reason why it's probably cheaper. Obviously when you get into the box it comes like this. It's got like this blue stuff on it. Let's peel it off. Oh. The controller is actually quite nice. Yeah, if you can compare this to an Xbox One controller, that's an Xbox One. Yeah, it's not that much of a difference really. The buttons are in the same place. Well, them are just like that way instead of straight like that. And also you've got the your left and right at the top here, triggers, and I like how it's see-through. You can actually see the insides. That's quite good. And obviously to link this to your Nintendo Switch, you have to press this button here. It'll flash. Obviously when you've got Nintendo Switch on, it'll actually flash. Like that. Then obviously it'll automatically link to Nintendo Switch. And obviously you press the link on Nintendo Switch as well. Basically link them together. And once you've linked it, and that's it, it's done. These buttons, they are quite, I would say, yeah, it's quite a good controller, to be honest with you. But these buttons here, I reckon they really should have been like coloured like on the Xbox, because obviously it's like it's just a bit dark. You can't. I don't think it really matters anyway, though. It just seems a bit dark. It would have been better if they were actually the same colours as the Xbox ones. Obviously, up, down, left, and right, and your triggers and that. Now this is can be charged by USB, and this is Type C. Type-C that basically, which you obviously you plug it in the bottom here, obviously, and you plug it in the USB port to charge it. Yeah, I don't really know what else I can say really. If you come here to obviously see this review of this controller itself, yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you would like me to explain anything else, please comment on this video, and I'll try to basically explain. Yeah, but apart from that, I mean, yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye.